Steffi does something stupid. Of people, nothing important. No. Peter! Captain, my glorious captain!
Is cooking on my stove that bad?
It's so terrible, I can't stop crying. Oh my god, the heat and the onions.
Less talking, more working, girl. Sorry, come on, give me a comment.
Gonna make me cry even more. Also, my body is crying sweat.
Yeah, and this is the excellent stove that she's got to contend with people. Nice Chinese piece of rubbish, $10 at the hardware store.
I might just use my tears to salt the curry.
Yeah, let's do that. Excellent, top stuff.
Hi.
Looking forward to the sale, girls?
Aye. Yeah.
What about pancakes?
Down. We already had pancakes.
Yeah, I was just trying to get an extra.
Yay?
Yeah.
An extra 8?
Yeah.
You gotta find something else then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Strawberry ice cream?
Woo! Whoa! Yeah!
A little bit at a time, that's it. A little bit more. A little bit more. And one more bit, that's it. Wonderful, thank you. Alright, go! Girls just checked out the telltales. They reckon they have to bring it on, and I agree. The inside's going crazy, inside telltale. So.
No, another one.
No, yeah, it's the second. Yep. All right, and as soon as we get this on, we can dump the motor. Keep going. Okay, now I want you to ease it a bit because it's just too tight. And that'll be it, okay? Lock it off. No, just jam it off. That's it. So we are starting at the bottom right hand corner and need to get to the top. The first part of our journey is not so much into wind, but the second part is almost directly into wind. So there should be lots and lots of tacking. What are the hazards, ladies? What should we be looking out for?
Reefs.
Reefs, correct, yes. What else should you be doing?
Watching dolphins.
Hey.
Aye. Aye. Aye.
Are we ready for more finishing school?
Aye.
We might have to do it when it's more wavy over there. Okay, people, we're going to go about 25 degrees to starboard. The girls, I'm not going to tell them what to do. Are you familiar with the game warm, warm, cold, cold, Steffi?
No.
Okay. Well, when you're cold, you're not doing the right thing.
Okay.
Yeah, you got to go on the other side. We need to trim the sails.
Okay, I think you can start with this one. Yeah. And I'll start with the main.
Okay, don't, yeah, that'll do it, that'll do it, that'll do it.
Then what? I don't know.
Okay, you're not going to have enough strength. You need the winch handle. I'd say that's pretty good.
And
Lock it off.
the staysail.
Now the staysail is small, so you can probably do it with your own weight, Steffi or Katrina.
Oh, yeah. Do you want? Just one.
Alright, that'll do it. It's too much, in fact. That's good enough. Good. Well, there we go. That wasn't too bad. Now, are we heading in the right direction? What do you notice about the wind suddenly?
It's stronger.
It's stronger. And are we going faster?
No, not a lot.
Yeah, we are going faster. So we're building up our apparent wind, going more into wind. And so we're actually travelling about 1 knot faster, or half a knot faster. All right, let's go check out the telltales. Tell me what, if we need to change.
This jib is streaming.
The jib? And what about the staysail?
Yeah, not as good.
It's not good?
No.
So what are you going to do about it? Which one is not streaming? The inside one or the outside one?
Wait. The outside one, Bill.
It's not streaming?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to what? Bring it in or ease it?
Ease it.
Ease it, correct. Just a little bit. So why are we leaning?
Because we're heavy.
Wind just started coming in, people. Well, we've got a little tiny squall, little cell. So hopefully we can ride it. I can see, can you see the rain falling over there?
Yeah.
Don't make her laugh when she's got things in her mouth. Okay, what started you laughing this time?
She was burping.
Alright, we're getting a little bit of rain. We're going to miss most of it though.
I don't understand. We're not drunk, but we're walking like we're drunk.
I thought you ran in here to get away from the rain.
No. No. I'd rather be outside because inside I don't understand. Like my body's like, whoa.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa.
And this isn't even a hardling. We should do some more finishing school inside.
Inside?
Yeah, cooking a meal.
We're trying.
Cooking a meal inside, leaning at 30 degrees in high heels, people. It's our favourite time of the day. Nut Wars! Yay! Okay, go rope. Go around the stanchion, one of these posts. Okay, who's the first to do a bowline? Go, Debbie, you're behind.
A what line?
A bowline.
A bowline. Oh, it's the rabbit.
Yes. Come on, rabbit.
Was it like this? That? Or was it?
Look at that. Oh, hold it. Pull it a bit tighter. That's it. So remember, yeah, that's better. That's better. Yep.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, but don't pull that one. What do you recognise? That's it. Excellent.
Good explanation.
All right, well done, Steffi. Top stuff. 1-0. Ready with a reef nut.
Is there a story behind that one?
It's a real easy one.
Wait.
Right over, left and under.
Oh.
That's the one. That's the one. When do we use that knot?
I have no clue. Yeah.
We use it to reef the sails.
Ah.
This time we're tying the rope to the stanchion with a clove hitch.
Oh wait, what was that? Was it this one? No. I don't know. Was it this one? No, that's the...
No, that's the round turn and 2 half hitches.
Ah.
That's for the dinghy. That's it. That's it, Steph. Almost. Almost.
Ah! I got it! I got it!
She knows what to do.
That one? What the No!
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, we got it.
I got it already.
I think you had it there, Katrina. You undid it.
Oh, did I? I don't think I did. I had it.
No, no, no.
I was...
Pull out through. See that line goes over the 2 other ones?
Yeah. Did you say it was the clove hitch?
Clove hitch.
Clove hitch.
When you use a clove hitch?
To tie a boat or something?
To tie up oars to a boat, or to tie things that aren't going to move around a lot, okay? When do you use a bowline?
Tie a boat. I don't know. Maybe to tie a boat.
To tie a sheet to a sail.
Okay.
To tie a rope to a sail.
Okay.
Rope wars is over. Not wars. Not wars is over, people. Okay, you can continue.
What knot do you use to tie yourself to your ship?
You could use the hangman's noose, but it mightn't be very comfortable. Another really cool knot, people, I very rarely use it, is the alpine butterfly knot. Coming from the top left, you grab the first one, go over the second one, grab now the second one, which is now the first one, go around through the third one, and pull. There we go. Yeah, but pull on these 2 lines.
Ah, okay.
That's it. That's it. You've only got a little one. But
Yeah.
that's all you really need to stick on one of those. What do you call those things, the clicky things?
Carabiner.
Yeah, carabiner things. Oh, hold it, not yet, not yet. Okay, we're going about. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet, yet. We want to back it, we want to back it. Look at that, baby. Woohoo! Gee, I hope we put the computers away. All right, go, let release. That's it. That's it, doing well. Completely go, completely go. Come on, muscles. Okay, good, get the winch on that. And how many turns you got on that, Steph?
One.
Yep, more. Watch your hands.
3 or 4.
One more. That's it.
Do we need
Get a winch on that.
Bah.
If you can reach over behind you and release the other staysail. That's it, let it go. Come on, one. More. Viciously, vicious. Go. Katrina, release it from the other winch. You're completely off. That's it. Have you got any wraps on that, Steffi? Pull your weight on. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Okay. What do you notice about our speed?
It's slower.
Much slower. Why do you think that is?
Because it's not hitting us like it's going from there.
It's also, we're not building up our apparent because we're actually going directly into the waves. We're on the bad tack. So previously on our good tack, we weren't fighting the swell, but running parallel to it, and hence we were making a good angle into wind with good speed. But now we're heading into the swell, which is slowing us down, so we need to bear away more to keep the boat moving through the swell, and hence our angle to the wind is not so great. We're going to go about, so we're going to tack, all right? So watch your head on these things because I've left these loose. So here we go, I'm going around. And do you know what to do, girls?
Yeah. Wait, maybe we should decide which. Wait, too many ropes, too many ropes. Wait, that's. I think I need to release this one.
Very good, release it. Watch your hands, get it away from it. Coming, it's coming. Here it comes. There it goes. All right, get a winch on it. Yeah. And what about the staysail? Is that doing anything for us now?
No.
Okay, it's already done its job, done its sliding job. So get rid of that too. And whilst, okay, it's not quite in the top of the winch there, Katrina, you're going to lose that winch handle. And you got to release it more, Steffi, behind you. It's still not off. Okay, pull on now. And now jam it off and go help Katrina tail. Are we good?
I think we're good.
All right, but we got some good speed now. I think we'll do another tack, people. Get it all smooth. What do you reckon? You want to put your swimsuit away? Keep it going, keep it going. We've really got to crank it on because we have to get upwind. All right, that'll do it. And there could have been another wrap on that, couldn't there?
Yeah.
It's going to be a long time to get in, people. The wind, our destination is right into wind, and we've got reefs to go between. So, but it's fun. We'll get quite a few tacks in, I think.
Whee! Yeah.
And look at, say, the island. Get your orientation.
Yeah.
And then try and maintain that course.
Okay.
So we're currently on the bad tack. Well, except for that bit. They're on the happy bad tack. It's a bad tack, we're going slowly, but they're getting some enjoyment. That's good stuff. Well done.
Ooh, another wave.
Here we go.
Get it. Woo!
I was just explaining to Katrina how we have to sail past the channel so that when we're on the other tack we can actually get in. And I said to Steffi, Steffi, did you understand that? And what did you say? Yeah? And then I said, were you listening?
No, I'm steering. I need to focus on that.
So you notice the waves piling up a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
See, like there, look at that one. See?
Yeah.
So we're definitely on the reef. Well, that's probably a shallower spot. We're going about. What should you do? Steffi, was that a bit early? Okay, staysail off. Okay, help Katrina. Get another wrap. Winch handle. Okay, leave that. Lock it off.
Lock it?
And go do the staysail. Leave that winch handle. Is that clockwise or anti-clockwise, Steffi?
Yes, anti-clockwise.
Well, that's no good. She won't need the winch for that one. It's got plenty of mass.
I don't know why.
Just pull it on. Okay, there's something blocked. So have a look at where it's jammed. Follow the rope. You see it? Pull it on. Don't understand. Pull it on. Well, it's on anti-clockwise, Steph. Go, pull it. All right, that'll do it. Lock it off, go back to the jib. Winch it. Okay, jam it off. Okay, so we're actually good. We're actually upwind of the channel, so we can use that, you know, to maneuver. All right, what was the problem in that?
This is the wrong way. Oh, it was anti-clockwise? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
And when you pull on it, it was locked.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Because that's the way a winch works. All right. You can tighten that now. We won't be using the other tack anymore. Well, that's probably our last tack, girls. Any questions?
Can we do it again? Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we're running out of daylight, and I was hoping to have some drinks on the deck as the sun went down. So would you like to keep sailing or have a drinky poo?
Drinky poo.
You want drinky poos?
Yeah, sunset.
All right.
We haven't seen a proper sunset yet.
I think we might get a proper sunset today, possibly.
Woo! That's great. That's a good reward. But yeah, tacking was fun.
Yeah, okay. I think you're getting better. All right, we've just got things to learn. You can start thinking and being efficient yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, just because I say do it one way, like for example, if you can clearly see the jib slipping past the staysail, you can release that the staysail earlier, right? Oh, thing that you did early was you didn't allow it to back properly, okay?
Yeah.
So now we are here, which is plenty of room upwind for us to thread our way through the reefs. Well, just. See how close the reef is?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to get way closer. We're actually just missing it. If you see out there, we're going to just miss it by about 50 meters.
Wow.
We've got to go up this narrow channel. That'll do it. We need to get that in a bit more.
The jib.
Yeah.
I'll get the tail. Wait, hold up.
All right, we got to get another 5 degrees up in the channel.
Jib's good?
I didn't really explain that to the girls. I was really just talking out loud for my own benefit. Yeah, I think, yeah, no, we're good with the jib. Okay, lock it off. So, we've got to avoid those breakers there. There's that reef, but we're going to try and get closer. We need to guess where we can get past this reef. So we're going to shave it. Let's get in. Okay, so I reckon, ooh, it's getting close. I think we're okay here. My Polaroids are telling me I'm good, but it's going to be close. So the reef's just there. So we're about 50 meters off. But now we're going to try and avoid this reef on this side. And this is going to be pretty tight too. So now we're clearing this reef. That's about 50 meters away. Then we can bear away a little bit, get some speed, and then we can tack up, and then maybe one more tack. Who wants to do another tack?
Me! Woo! Yeah!
Alright, what should we do with this?
We should loosen it up.
Yep, okay. I mean, if we were really good sailors, we'd alternately tighten and loosen in a very efficient way. Yes, people, I know. A lot of rope figure eighting and stuff. Less enjoyment. Gee, we are close to that reef. Say hello to the fishies, girls.
Hi!
You know what we're doing?
Are we tacking now?
Yeah, going about. We're tacking. Wow, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, no. Steph, we need to back the sails. Sails are backed. Okay, release, go. Go, get it off. Okay, it's off. Now look at it. It's flying free. Look. So what are you gonna do? Come on, wind it. Wrong way, Katrina.
Ah, shit.
Steph, get the staysail in. Look at what you're doing, Steph. Look at the sail. Look at the sail. See how it's sort of jammed? So it's caught on something. Tail. I'll get that and then tail. Quick, jam it on. More. Look at this. Katrina did the jib all by herself. Lock it all off. We got another reef here. We can't make the angle in the channel, it's just not possible. So, girls, let's furl the jib. So I'm gonna take the pressure out by going downwind. I'm going downwind. So let it go. Let it go and get the furling line. Where's the furling line? Yeah, you've got it. Go, that's it, Steph. We don't have much, get it in quick. We don't have much time. That's it.
Oh, something's just dropped. Your shorts! Ah!
Where are they? Shit.
The shorts are there.
Okay, hold it. Okay, let's try and pick them up. Let's try and get the boat hook from the front of the mast. Okay, bring in the staysail. Okay, we're looking for the shorts. If this is a man overboard drill, I think we've lost a member of our crew. Maybe one of you should have just jumped in.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I never thought of that. Because usually at sea, that's not what you do. But we're in a bay now. Ah, yeah, we should have done that. Steffi, you want the good news or the bad news? The good news is there's a gooner that's going to be fishing in the next week or so, and he's going to have a brand new pair of shorts. The bad news is they're your shorts. How do you drop the main? Woohoo! Good stuff. So Steph, you've lost your rashi in the first couple of days. Now you lost the shorts.
Yeah.
You'll be naked soon.
No, she'll be wearing palm leaf.
Oh yeah, or banana leaf.
Or banana leaf. Yeah, exactly.
We could do an episode on that. The girls wear banana leaves. Now that would be a very good thumbnail. I don't know if the girls would be into that, but it'd look really nice. All right, that'll do it. Well, that was pretty bloody good. And we got a nice sunset, possibly, coming up. All right, drink time. I opened the Coke bottle and went, shh. And then someone's head suddenly appeared. And what did you say? I just want to check what I'm doing. I'm making you a drink. What would you rather? You want Coke and rum or ginger ale and rum? Which would you rather?
I don't know what's better. Never tried it.
You never tried rum and Coke?
No.
When do you start drinking in Germany? I thought it was like at 7. Because of the winters, people. It's so bad. They go, oh, gotta start early, otherwise everyone would leave.
How it's in Germany, in Austria.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I stuffed up again, people.
You shouldn't compare Austrian and German.
Okay, sorry.
Never,
I'm sorry.
Never ever.
Yeah, I do that a bit.
Some kids start at 11 and 12.
Really?
Yeah.
But when is it legal?
Illegal is at 16 with beer and wine, and at 18 you can drink rum and stuff.
Okay, all right. Well, normally people have rum and Coke, but I like ginger ale and Coke myself. I love rum and Coke too, but it's just Coke is not good for me.
Oh yeah, okay.
So you choose. You can have another.
Well, I know.
Whatever you choose today, you can have a different one tomorrow.
Coke and rum.
You rum and Coke?
Yeah.
And you want ginger ale?
Just ginger ale, yeah.
Just ginger ale, no rum?
No rum.
Right, okay. You require a massage there, you're all good? Okay, no massage. Tried to slip it in, people. I tried. You're not feeling good?
I'm just exhausted from the heat.
Oh, right.
It's nothing bad, it's just...
It's hot. Yeah, well you don't want alcohol then. Good idea.
Yeah.
Because that'll dehydrate you, people.
Yeah.
Alright, just ginger ale, okay.
Thanks.
Don't tell your dad I'm serving you drinks. He might get upset.
No, I think
He's alright? Okay.
With that.
Don't get sloshed.
What's the legal drinking age in Austria?
16.
What?
16 in Austria.
You're kidding.
I think in America it's like 21, isn't it, people? That's just ridiculous. Could be good.
Yeah.
It could be good, my little alcoholic in the making.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Great. Cheers. Great.
This is your first rum and Coke.
Yeah.
Wow. Sorry about my washing, people. The hobos have entered the Hollandaise again. Everyone sees my boat from like 10 miles away. I go, oh, it's Plucky. I'll just shut up. I'll watch the sun go down.
Oh yeah, that was great.
What do you mean by that?
Katrina? Sun is gone. Almost.
It's...
She's sleeping.
Have to be a bit quiet. Katrina's suffering ill effects from the sun. What you don't realise, or some people don't realise, is when you're on the water, every wave, every wavelet and the sun, you just get a blast from 1,000 different directions for like a microsecond, but it happens continuously. So she's very, very fair, and yeah, so it's affecting her. So she's having a little lie down, people. The vampire awakes. Katrina's got the hiccups, so I offered to scare her at 2 AM in the morning.
And I offered to punch him in the face.
Okay, I'm not going to wake Katrina up in the middle of the night. Have you punched someone in the face?
Yeah.
Really?
A few times.
Really? A few times? Who did you punch in the face?
My brother.
Your brother?
Sometimes he wakes me up in the middle of the night for no reason.
Really?
And I just...
Well, he deserves it then,
yeah,
really.
he deserves it, of course, but it's an accident. I woke up and then punched him. It's like, oh, someone offered me a drink and I accidentally punched him in the face. Like... Hold on.
So you're at a bar and someone says, would you like a drink? And you punch them in the face.
No. Someone does a movement, so like coming close to me, it's like, yeah,
really?
trying to punch me. And my reaction was like this, and I punched him. I blocked it and punched him with my fist.
Just to recap, if you do see Steffi, and she's, you know, at a bar or she's in a restaurant, don't go offer her a drink. Or if she drops a fork, don't go pick it up for her, because you're liable to end up like in hospital.
Yeah.